New tonight, the Connecticut Coalition Against Domestic Violence joined the state's lieutenant governor to recognize Domestic Violence Awareness Month.
Advocates say it's preventable, but also a public health crisis. And the numbers here, more than 10 million Americans are affected each and every year. Fox 61's Bridget Bureau joins us live in studio after hearing from a survivor in our community. Bridget, must be difficult to listen to.
These stories are so heartbreaking, Sarah and Brent, and they happen more often than you think. Every minute in the United States, about 20 people are physically abused by an intimate partner, according to the National Coalition Against Domestic Violence. And too often, those attacks turn deadly. Here in Connecticut, 19 people have died at the hands of an intimate partner within the last year. That's up from 14 just the year before.
I'm a survivor of domestic violence.
For Adana Springer, she's one of the lucky ones. She got out of a violent relationship before it was too late.
I remember feeling hopeless. I remember feeling broken. I remember feeling like I didn't have value anymore. After a broken toe, a fractured face, pregnant, you kind of feel like my life is done here.
But her life wasn't over. It was just beginning. And she recalls the exact moment she discovered her strength.
I remembered saying, this time, if you hit me this time, I'm done.
Now she wants her story to instill hope in those who might feel trapped.
I want you to know you're not alone. You're valuable. You're priceless. You don't deserve abuse. Love doesn't hurt. I want you to reach out for help.
And in Connecticut, support and resources are out there through Connecticut's Coalition Against Domestic Violence, a group that serves nearly 40,000 victims free of charge each year. But the state's lieutenant governor recognizes that the scope of suffering extends far beyond that.
Domestic violence is something that affects 1 in 4 women, and so it is a public health crisis, and it affects more women in the United States than diabetes and breast cancer together.
So the message during this Domestic Violence Month is watch out for signs of struggle and possibly even save a life.
Survivors can have a life after. It doesn't end with abuse.
Tonight, we want to remind you that around-the-clock help is out there, and it's no charge to you. So let's put the options for you up on the screen. For the National and Domestic Violence Hotline, call 1-800-799-7233. And for the local CT Safe Connect hotline, call 1-888-774-2900. We have all this information also on our website. Just visit fox61.com. Sarah?